how to withdraw Blum to Tonkeeper. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can withdraw Blum to Tonkeeper. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open the Blum app on your device. Over here, tap on the wallet option and connect it to your Tonkeeper wallet. After that, you can create a new wallet if you don't already have one. Then set up the wallet by creating a 4-digit passcode. Over here, you'll see your wallet interface with balances like UST and Toncoin displayed at the bottom. Next, go back to the Blum app and navigate to the Earn or Wallet section. Over here, you can see your Blum account connected along with the Toncoin balance and its UST dollar equivalent. Then complete the process by confirming the connection. Over here, you'll notice that your Blum points are now connected and ready for withdrawal. So that's how you can withdraw Blum to Tonkeeper. That's all for this video.